Hello, everybody. Happy Thursday. Everybody needs to practice saying, today is Thursday. Today is
Thursday.
Today is actually the last day in the month of
April.
It is Thursday, April
30th.
It's the last day of the month, y'all. And it is going to be sunny. Ooh, it's going to be sunny. And 86 degrees, so we're going with hot. And the temperature is going to be hot. So let's get dressed.
Bottoms, shorts, tops, tank top.
Make sure if you go outside, you're wearing some sunscreen.
Shoes, sandals, hats, baseball hat.
Since it's going to be sunny, we should probably wear a hat if we're outside.
Sunglasses.
Some sunglasses to protect our eyes.
Outerwear.
Definitely not going to need a coat.
Outerwear.
So, alright, ladies and gents, today's weather, Thursday, April 30th. Sunny and hot. Make sure you wear sunscreen, but please go outside, get some fresh air and some exercise. And I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you log into Canvas and complete your work.